I got some other work to do this morning, so I'm going to hand this over to Eric today until I get back. So here you go, Eric. Have fun sanding. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so that you can be notified when we post a new video. Alright, we're back, day 7 here, working on our 57 Chris Craft Sportsman. Last time we showed you guys how we were filling the seams with Thixo wood epoxy mixed with some stain. So that stuff is dried, and now it's time to sand down that epoxy. And probably going to have a few low spots like right here where the screw heads were. We're going to have to come back and scuff that up a little bit, and then just put a little bit more on all those low spots.
Got done having a little bit of lunch, taking a little bit of break, but I thought I'd catch you guys up, get you up to speed on what's been going on. Past, I don't know, an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Whatever that time lapse is about an hour and a half or 2 hours. What I've done is gone through and, besides just reblocking this whole thing, with really trying to blend in that epoxy so that way, I mean, you can see a little bit of it, but you know, you really can't go any deeper than that, then you're just digging in the wood. So just getting everything nice and flat again. I still need to rework up here.
Alright, day 7 is in the books. Doesn't look like we got much done. Doesn't feel like we got much done, but we did. And so what we did was we sanded the Thixo Flex round 1, and we had a few screw heads that were still a little low, so we went over them and scuffed them, and then added the final batch of Thixo Flex to all the low spots. So we gotta wait for that stuff to dry, and then sand it one more time, and then we'll be ready to do the staining. So we're so close. Weather was nice today, so that was awesome. We got some new footage, cool drone shots and stuff, so that's cool. But still no stain yet. Hang in there. I promise we're gonna be staining this old boat real soon.
Hopefully we'll be getting to do some stain in the next video, so stay tuned.
Hi Kathy, this is Levi at Hammer Fab. How are you doing today? Oh, pretty good. Hey, I got a question for you. I need to, not right now, but in the future, the near future, I need to order some custom lengths of aluminum. Can you guys order sheets longer than 10 feet? Can you go longer than that? Probably 100 thousandths thick, 50-52 aluminum. Oh, 90 would be fine. Yeah, let's go with 90. 50-52, and then at least 14 feet long. Maybe let's just go with 2 20-footers if you can do 20-footers. Yes. I'd like to get it a little longer if I can, but let me know what you find out. That's all for right now. 815 3. Yeah. All right, thank you. I appreciate it. Bye. Getting some metal for the old Chris Craft.